Show that GoPro who's boss.
That's what's up. It's recording. Oh yeah.
The red lights.
Oh yeah, it's recording.
I didn't hear all the beeps though. Just one beep is all I heard. But the red light's doing its thing.
Yeah. So, all right, guys. I don't know how well this angle's gonna work out, but we're here with Rowley with Rowley.
Hey, gang.
And I don't have my sunglasses. The sun's right in my eyes, so please forgive me if I squint. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Boom. Look at that. Genius. Sometimes when you work together on stuff, you come up with better ideas.
Usually figure things out with two people.
Look at that, dude. You see those coyote tracks?
Oh, cool.
What is that? That's not.
Cougar.
That's a, yeah.
Is it? Big dog.
Uh-huh.
Somebody running with their dog.
No.
Cougar.
Cougar. We're gonna go with cougar.
Cougar track.
But anyways, so, all right, dude. So, basically, Chad has this, what year is it?
2020.
2020 WR250F. Now, you've seen it in my videos. I go riding with him, but he's got these Tusk Excursion
Luggage bags.
What are they called? Like a rackless bag or something?
Rackless luggage system.
Rackless luggage system. Anyways, Chad's bike here does not have a very good like subframe.
Has no subframe.
Has no subframe, so basically this stuff here is sitting right on his fender. But we're gonna turn the time over to Mr. Rowley here, and we're gonna have him just give us a quick run around, what he thinks of these bags, his thoughts on the install, if he needs to take them off, and he's got another little bag here that sits on top. But let's hear about them.
Yeah, these Tusk Excursion bags, they've been great. They've 15 liters of storage per side, which has been plenty for me. Kind of the minimalist, so I can get all my food. You know, if I'm going on a couple night little trip, moto camping trip, I get all my food I want and need in one side. My other side's kind of for hygiene and maybe extra clothes. And then the top bag, which I don't have here, just to imagine the bag here. But I've got my sleeping pad and my sleeping bag in it, and I can pack my tent on the back. I also upgraded to the bottle bags that plug in on here. And I imagine there's even something in here. Yeah, buddy, it's empty. But
oh, gas.
Yeah,
yeah.
That one's for gasoline, but that's 1 liter of gas.
Nice.
You know, about 32 ounces, about a quart. And yeah, I also brought breakfast.
Oh,
I just remembered.
Oh man, we did get an early start here.
Yeah,
Chad a little earlier than I did, but
nice and early in the morning. They come with these dry bags inside.
Nice.
And they are waterproof.
Waterproof. I saw a video.
Yep. I tested them. They're waterproof as can be.
Go subscribe to Chad's channel. He's got a little thing on here. Look at that.
Got some peaches.
Now they sell cherries like that?
Yeah.
Dark cherries, like in stuff like that.
Yeah, like in a can.
Dude.
But you know, peaches come from a can. They were put there
by a man
in a factory
downtown. Man, I just was listening to that song the other day.
Yeah, I got one for you too.
Oh, nice.
So.
Yeah.
So these bags, I can get 4 cans in the bottom, you know, in the bottom of the bag. It's about the size of the...
Like laying down or just kind of
standing up.
Shoved in there?
4 cans standing up and then shimmying down in there, so there's 4 cans. Soup and peaches and whatever comes in a can.
Chili? Ooh, chili.
Chili.
Ooh, nacho cheese dip.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have some peaches for breakfast.
Yeah, anyways, rackless, no top rack. These things have been awesome. Right? They're on and off real quick. We got just one clip on each side, or one strap on each side.
So that's how easy. You just unstrap that, and basically he's got his gas can over them, but
yeah,
they'll just pull.
There, but
they'll just pull right off.
So
yeah, both sides. Strap on both sides. And he cut those straps because they came with oodles of strap. But They provide a lot of extra space for his moto camping and his rallies, his little adventures he goes on. But the big question, I guess, you know, somebody watching this video might ask, Chad, is it worth it?
Oh, definitely. Great bang for your buck. Great price point on these. They're way durable. I've tipped the bike over several times, run it through the brush. I mean, it's got all sorts of Rocky Mountain pinstripes on them.
He's got a few videos from Moab where he's, I think he whiskey throttled it a little bit, and yeah, right on the bags, and
yeah,
and you can tell. I mean, obviously, you can tell they're used. You know, it's not like he just bought them and put them on, and we're doing an interview.
Yeah, heavy duty nylon there, and then TPS. Like it's kind of a blend between rubber and plastic.
Yeah.
And
it's a real durable material.
Yeah, what they make river rafts out of.
Okay.
That TPS material. So
yeah.
River rafts are durable.
Oh yeah.
Bouncing off rocks and stuff.
Yeah. Anyways, folks, that is those racks, bags, whatever you want to call them. But here's the deal. Go check them out. I mean, won't hurt to check them out. I'm not as adventurous as Chad, so I don't see myself buying any of these. But that may change in the future.
What if you need peaches for breakfast?
Well, I told Chad I was gonna bring like a backpack or something, and he laughed at me, and I think he was laughing because I don't like to get too far. We're good. I can still see my house, so I don't like to travel too far away from home. But yeah, that's the gist of it. Super easy install. I watched his install video. Looked pretty simple. Yeah. Other than that, I mean, that's it. Not much to it. Other than I've seen him hold up. I know what Chad does with his bike and the adventures he goes on, and yeah, perfect for what he does.
Oh, they're awesome. They're great.
And universal.
Oh yeah,
obviously.
Oh yeah,
fits most bikes. Probably fit my bike there. What do you think about that, Chad? I'd have to get rid of my. Let's just show you a comparison here. Chad's bike here versus my bike. So I'd probably just have to get rid of that.
Your sweet bag.
Yeah. I mean, that dude, you'd be amazed at what I can fit in that shit. I can fit a 12-pack in there. 12 pack of
gum.
Yeah, 12-pack of gum or 12-pack of candy.
Lifesavers.
Yeah, lifesavers. I could probably do a 25-pack of those. But anyways, all right, that's it. We're gonna call it there. I think that's what Mom Street says. But we're gonna end this video basically, and we are going to eat some peaches out of a can that was put there in a factory by a man. So, anyways, what does he do? I'm gonna have Chad send us out here.
Yeah, go adventure and go rally.
Yeah.